firstly draw the figure, and one diameter is taken. This is diameter, then this is P, this is Q, this is R, PQR, S, this is O, center, and this angle is given 40 degree. This angle is given 40 degree. 40 degree. So in the adjoining figure, O is the center. You can see RS is the diameter of the circle. If QSR equals to 45 degree, this angle QSR, here angle QSR equals to 40 degree. QSR equals to 40 degree. Then what you have to find? Value of angle QPS. This angle, value of angle QPS, value of angle QPS. Okay, this angle we have to find. So how can we find this? Look here. QPS we have to find. Look here. This RS is a diameter, and you know that angle made by diameter at the circumference is called angle in a semicircle. And we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, so this angle becomes 90 degree. Now in triangle QRS, we know the value of two angles. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 40 degree. So by using the concept sum of angles of a triangle, that is, if we add these three angles, the sum will be 180 degree. So we can find this angle. And after getting this angle, look here, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, and we studied that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That is, when we add the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, sum will be 180 degree. So this plus this equals to 180 degree. Yes, in this way we can find. So firstly, what we write? Angle RQS. Firstly, we write angle RQS equals to 90 degree. Reason, angle in a semicircle. Angle in a angle in a semicircle. Yes. Then in triangle QRS, angle RQS plus angle QSR plus angle QRS plus angle QRS equals to 180 degree. Reason, sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle. Now RQS is given 90 degree, QSR 40 degree, QSR 40 degree, and QRS as it is. QRS as it is equals to 180 degree. Or angle QRS equals to what we can write? 90 plus 40, 130 degree. And when it goes on right hand side, it becomes minus. So 180 minus 130. This will give us angle QRS equals to 180 minus 30 becomes 50 degree. This is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. But we don't have to find this angle. We have to find this angle. So look here, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, and we know that opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That is, when we add opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum will be 180 degree. So what we can say, again we can say angle QPS plus angle QRS equals to 180 degree. The reason is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes. So QPS as it is, instead of QRS, what shall I write? 50 degree equals to 180 degree. So 50 when goes on right hand side, it becomes angle QPS equals to 180 minus 50, 130. So QPS becomes 130 degree. In this way we can find it. This is circle and center. This is B. Then you can write C. This is D. This is D. And then this is O. This angle is X degree. X degree. This is Y degree. Similarly, this is 120 degree. 120 degree. And this is 20 degree. This is 20 degree. And this angle is Z. I'm writing here. This angle is Z degree. X, Z, Y, 120, 20. Yes. So in the given figure, we have to find the value of X degree, Y degree, and Z degree. If angle ABD is 120 degree, if angle ABD is 120 degree, here angle ABD is 120 degree. Then we have ADB. ADB, so change its name. ADB means this is C, as this becomes D. ADB is 20 degree. ADB, ABD, then ADB is 20 degree. And we have to find the value of X, Y, and Z. Look here. Firstly, ABD is a triangle, you can see. ABD is a triangle. And in this triangle, the value of one angle is 120 degree. The value of second angle is 20 degree. And we have to find third angle, that is X. So in any triangle, if two angles are known, then third angle we can calculate by the formula sum of angles of a triangle. So in triangle ABD, angle BAD plus angle ABD plus angle ADB equals to, we can write 180 degree. It is an sum of angles of a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle. So BAD we are given X degree, ABD we are given 120 degree, ADB 20 degree equals to 180 degree. 120 plus 20 becomes 140. When it goes on right hand side, it becomes minus. So 180 minus 140. This will give you X equals to 180 degree. 180 minus 40 is 40, sorry. So this will give you X equals to 40 degree. So we have got the value of X. Now we have to find the value of Y, as well as we have to find the value of Z also. Look here, Y and Z. So look here, ABC is inscribed angle standing on major arc AC, and same major arc AC subtends this angle at the circumference. Yes, this angle at the center, sorry. So if same arc subtends angle at the center and at the circumference, then central angle is 2 times the inscribed angle. So what is the name of this angle? The name of this angle is reflex angle AOC. Why reflex? Because this is more than 180 degree. Question is, how we have come to know that this is more than 180 degree? Because this is a straight line. So from here to here it becomes 180 degree, and this much is more. So reflex angle AOC. Now reflex angle AOC equals to 2 times angle ABC. 2 times angle ABC. Reflex angle AOC is 2 times of angle ABC. Region central angle is double of inscribed angle standing on the same major arc, same major arc AC, same major arc AC. So reflex angle AOC is 2 times of ABC. ABC we have calculated 120 degree. Yes, ABC we have calculated 120 degree. So this becomes 240 degree. 240 degree. The reflex angle AOC 240 degree. But we need to find this angle, please. AOC. Because this AOC is Z. Because this AOC is Z. So we need to find this angle. So again, reflex angle AOC, reflex angle AOC plus angle AOC equals to 360 degree. Why? Look here. This is reflex angle AOC and this is AOC. So when we add these two angles, then one complete rotation, and one complete rotation means we know how many degree? 360 degree. It is a complete rotation. Complete rotation. Complete rotation. The value of reflex angle AOC we have calculated. How much? 240 degree. And AOC means you can see Z. AOC means Z degree equals to 360 degree. So 240 goes on right hand side, it becomes minus. So Z equals to 360 minus 240, that is 120 degree. Z degree equals to 120 degree. So dear students, we have calculated the value of X 40 degree, Z 120 degree. Now we have to find the value of Y. So look here, to find the value of Y, this AOCB is a quadrilateral, and we know that sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So write in a quadrilateral, AOCB, yes, one angle is this OAB, angle OAB plus angle ABC plus angle ABC plus angle OCB plus angle AOC equals to 360 degree. Region, sum of angles of a quadrilateral, sum of angles of a quadrilateral. In short, I have written quad. So OAB, yes, OAB means X, and the value of X we have calculated. How much degree? 40 degree. So OAB means 40 degree plus ABC is already given 120 degree. 120 degree plus OCB. OCB means we have to find Y, and then AOC. AOC means place Z, and the value of Z we have calculated 120 degree equals to 360 degree. Yes. Now 120 plus 120 becomes 240. 240 plus 40, 280. And when 280 goes on right hand side, it becomes minus. So, or Y equals to 360 minus 280 degree. 360 minus 280. 360 minus 280 becomes 80 degree. So, Y equals to 80 degree. Therefore, you can write, therefore, Y equals to, yes, we have solved 6th number.